There's a generation that has stopped doing gardening, and I feel like it was really important for food nutrition to get the kids involved in growing their own food.
Laurel is a community that has a high food insecurity rate. I had the opportunity 2 years ago to bring a potential grant called Growing Together. Local community members came together and said, we want to beautify our community and to make it healthier. And so they formed a nonprofit called Growing Laurel. The Growing Together grant is sponsored by the NEP program and the Master Garden program out of Purdue Extension. And what it does is helps communities to plant and have education surrounding how to grow their own food. And so we were able to partner with many local community members to establish garden beds for the community to learn how to grow their own food and to harvest.
So from there, we saw a need for a food pantry.
We've connected with Gleaners Pantry, who is helping to bring fresh produce, which that in itself helps promote health in this community.
The food pantry is a good opportunity to bring to our community. It's been something that can help families that are working and aren't able to qualify for government assistance.
But yet they're still at that poverty level. And each community knows who is in need in their community. And I feel like we can help them better.
The food pantry here in Laurel, I feel like is going to be a good thing because there are a lot of big families. Personally, I appreciate it, of course. There's 7 of us in one house, so it's nice to have the extra help.
It's one thing to plant a garden and to have a pantry, but if we want people to eat healthier, it's really critical to have that nutrition education component. So we're also offering nutrition classes for those who attend the pantry.
From Gleaners to Purdue Extension to all of the volunteers, we couldn't do it without everybody.
I never dreamed 2 years ago that we would come this far, that out of one little meeting of just a handful of community members, that great things could grow and we could really bring people together, back together, to make a difference in almost a forgotten community.